Hi, welcome back to Dinner with Douce, and this is my segment that is tasting different things from around the world. Today we have a drink here. It's called Prime, and I take it's been around for a little while, but it's available on PEI now. And on my cameraman's blog, they had a little taste test yesterday, and this here was voted the most. It's called Blue Raspberry, and also there's a tropical punch, and a lemon lime. Now some people call this a sports drink or whatever, but I'll have to take my glasses off so I can see. But a lot of the sports drinks, they have caffeine in them. But in this particular drink, it's gluten-free and caffeine-free. And also there is 10% coconut water. Ooh, I like coconut water. And also 20 calories. There's only 2 grams of sugar, which is really good compared to a lot of these drinks are very high in sugar. Now protein, there's nothing. Cholesterol, there's nothing. Sodium, there's 5 milligrams. Potassium, there's 700 milligrams. That's quite high. Calcium, 0 milligram. Iron, 0.4. Vitamin A, 600. Ooh, that's good. Vitamin E, 15 milligrams. Vitamin B6, 3.4 milligrams, and vitamin B12, 5% or less little, 15% or more is a lot. So there's quite a bit of your vitamins in this one, and also sweetened with sucralose and potassium. It calls itself, it's a hydration drink. So this is probably if you're, playing sports or whatever, you want to hydrate yourself. It's this is a real good drink to it.
And your Twitter fans voted on that flavor.
Yes, and Twitter fans voted on this flavor that this was the best flavor. Now it says shake well before opening and refrigerate. I don't know if it. And also it says here, which is very important. It says it's not intended for children, for adults only. So this is for the people that wear the big boy pants. This is for them only. But I understand now a lot of kids have been trying to drink this or whatever, and well, it says it's not for them. So, but anyway, we're gonna open her up here.
Did you shake it?
Oh, I should shake it too. You have to shake it. Make sure it's nice and shaked. Whoa, crack. See, it has a safety lid. It's got...
Is it blue?
It's blue. Prime was developed to fill the void where great taste meets function with bold, thirst-quenching flavors to help you refresh. We're confident you will love it as much as we do. Humbly, the Prime team. It's not bad. Blueberry raspberry, you can taste the blueberry and the raspberry together. No, it's not bad. It tastes, as I say, it says coconut water in it, and it tastes like a water, which is flavored water, which is good because it's good for you, and it'll help hydrate you. So yes, I'd give this a 4 out of 5. It's not bad at all.
What about all the fake sugar that's in it, Dad?
And for us older people, the fake sugar that's in it makes no difference anyway, because sugar is sugar, as far as I'm concerned. But I don't know if it's going to give you a high if you drink too much of it or whatever. But it'd be good after a hockey game, I think. Anyway, that's all for now, folks.
Would you get it again?
Oh yeah, I'll get it again. I get this drink. Actually, I'm going to have to try all these other ones, see which one I like the most. I'm sort of partial to fruit punch, so I think probably this would be the one I like the most. Lemon lime might be all right too. I think there's another kind out too, but I'm not sure if it's here. But I think the Irving's Irving stores carry it, and I know there's some at the store at the Charlottetown Mall there.
Better deal at the Irving Circle K.
Yeah, but Irving's I think is a better deal of actually buying them. So I mean, I think this is probably in the same ballpark as any of the sports hydration drinks. They're all either good for you or not good for you, depending on who you talk to. But I like it. Anyway, we'll see you later.
What's the website?
Website is dinnerwithdouce.com. See ya. And also there is 10% coconut water. Ooh, I like coconut water. I don't know if it's going to give you a high if you drink too much of it or whatever, but it'd be good after a hockey game, I think.